Ivan Perisic is the first player on my watch list. He's been key for Croatia in recent friendlies and also in the qualifiers, where he picked up 6 goals and 3 assists from 9 appearances, making him Croatia's top goalscorer. At 7.5 million, he's a very affordable option from a Croatia side that is expected to make it through the group stages. Next up is Olivier Giroud. He's been France's top goalscorer throughout their recent friendlies, putting away 7 goals in his last 10 appearances. Despite competition for places in the front three, Giroud seems fairly nailed on and is the most natural centre forward they have, with the likes of Martial, Coman, Payet and Griezmann likely to fight for the 2 wide positions. At 8.5 million, he comes in much cheaper than the popular option Griezmann, has a slightly better scoring record for France and is expected to play central rather than out wide. Next up is Kevin De Bruyne. Probably the player to watch throughout the entire tournament, given what he's achieved in recent years. He's regarded as one of the most creative players around, and demonstrated that in the qualifiers, where he created more chances than any other player. He picked up 5 goals and 3 assists during his 10 appearances. Most of the options I've highlighted here have been budget options, but if there was one premium player I'd recommend, it would definitely be Kevin De Bruyne for 10 million. And the final player to watch for me is Jamie Vardy. It looks like the Premier League title-winning striker could be off to Arsenal shortly, so he'll be keen to remind his new club exactly what he can do during the Euros. He didn't feature much in the qualifiers, but he has made 4 appearances in recent friendlies, where he scored 3 goals. At just 7 million, he's one of the cheapest forwards in the game, and he looks likely to start up top alongside Harry Kane in a 4-4-2 diamond formation, so he could prove to be an absolute bargain. Let me know in the comments whether you agree or disagree with my picks. Is there a player to watch that I've missed? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you for another Euro 2016 video very soon.